Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the monthly time frame, I'm still very bullish overall on these higher time frames. I still think we're either going up for a running flat wave C or possibly an expanding flat wave C. I'm definitely leaning more towards the expanding flat, so that way it will take out these highs and end up probably eventually look at something like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at these five waves up as a wave one. I still think this is a WXY correction. Wave two, I still think this is all just subdivisions of a wave three, and I think this weekly time frame will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I would call these five waves up right here most likely a wave one. I would think that we are probably in a wave two right now. I would also expect this wave 2 to likely go down to the 50 to 61.8. We definitely don't have a break of structure yet. It did try to break structure yesterday, but it definitely failed. I would kind of expect that maybe it would go up again, though, because I would kind of expect this to be some sort of an A, a B, and a C, probably three waves down to a Fibonacci level before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend, most likely in a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, on the 4 hour time frame, we did definitely break structure, but it was definitely a rejection of structure. Really, it looks like an A, it looks like a B, and it looks like a C. So I would kind of expect this to actually be continuing down. Now, we really looks like with the fact that we haven't broken structure yet that we're probably still in a wave A. So if it does start to drift up, that's actually probably going to be even more normal looking. It probably would actually be a wave B. Then it would probably drift back down for a wave C. So later, let's drift down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. This looks very impulsive to me. This looks like it could even be like forming either an irregular ABC correction or like an expanding or a running flat. Kind of looks like this is a wave A, this is a wave B, and maybe it's either going to drift up and make a wave C, take out these highs, then continue the downtrend at a Fibonacci level, which seems pretty likely. Or on the other hand, this really is going to go up and make a big wave C of wave B, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. If that's the case, then it really will keep on drifting up eventually. Probably look at something like this, and this would end up being probably an ABC of wave B, and eventually probably going back down for the bigger wave C. I still think this is all a wave 2 on the daily time frame, and I think this is probably a wave A, probably an A, B, C, or B, and then eventually back down for a wave C. But you definitely need to keep an eye out, because if it does make three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level and pulse it down, break a structure, then you definitely want to get out of any longs and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. The trend is down, and you have to remember the trend is your friend, and you're definitely going to be more profitable trading with the trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.